Hello friends, I'm Gurpreet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox some items I ordered from my phone. I have one nice Chinese app. It's called AliExpress, and actually this app is amazing. It's a very good app. Very nice products in very good and fair prices. Let's see the item and hope you guys like it. The first item, it's a amazing product and also called amazing selfie stick, and you can use for little tripod as well. Let's open the box first, and I want to take it show you how it looks. This is a tripod, and also I think this is very good. It's very strong enough to hold your phone, your iPods. And you can use this as a selfie stick. You can use as a selfie stick, and plus the another cool thing, you can use for a tripod as well. It has 3 legs, and you need to twist this one little switch, then it will hold the legs, and you can use like this your phone, everything you want, like iPods, cell phones, any phone. And another thing, it comes with one small little remote. I want to share with you guys another very cool thing. Actually, this is called selfie ring light. I didn't expect I can get this selfie ring light. Actually, they sent me as a free gift, as a surprise with this tripod. So let's open the box and see how it looks like. This is the light, you can see, and it has a clip on the back. We have a charging cable. This is another cool thing. You don't need to put any batteries in it. You can charge your light and it's ready to go. Let's see how it works. You can use on any phone or tripod. If you are a blogger especially, this is very cool light. You can put onto your phone like this, and you have one little small button on the back, and you can turn on. This is a 1 point, and you can click one more click. It's a 2nd point, more light, more brighter, and when you click 3rd time, it's look very bright. And when you use for your selfie pictures, and even you wanna make video with your phone or with your iPod, everything. This is light, you can see this is very bright light, and this is very cool thing. I also recommend that app, the app called AliExpress. It's a very cool app. Hope you guys like the video. If you have any questions, you can comment me in the comment sections. I will reply as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hope you guys all like it. Take care.